Hello YouTube, Bill from Fishing Around Chicago, back on about the annual Westy Woods Fishing Derby. It's going to start. This is what it looks like. They got tables. Each table you visit each company and you get a stamp. Once you fill up this paper, you get a prize. But I don't do that. I was hoping my wife called me, but she didn't want to come. The turnout to be looking pretty good. Look at this side's getting packed. I just got here about 15 minutes ago. A little tired now. Woke up at 5 a.m. I wasn't able to stay awake, so I fell back asleep. So I woke up an hour ago, and I flew down here, man. Luckily, it starts at 9 o'clock. So, wish me luck. Last week, I was at the Twin Lakes Derby, and I filmed some stuff there, but unfortunately, the video is corrupt. I wasn't able to use it. It didn't download in the files, my files. So I hope this camera's still good when I use this. And let's see what we can catch. I got night crawlers. I do have my fake maggots, and I got those minnows, fake minnows. Apparently they treated the weeds. The weeds are dead, are gone. We'll see. I haven't been catching anything lately, but I'm gonna give it a shot today. Right? I'll keep you informed. All right, I got two fish on board. One was 4 3/4. One was 3 inches.
But you didn't catch it.
No. And I wait for my third one. There goes the commissioner.
They're teasing you.
Yeah. So I'm trying to get my third one. Man, feels so good to catch a fish, man. Feels so good. So I hope I get the smallest fish. I hope.
How big was the one you just got?
It was 3 inches, 3 1/4. But he had a 1/4 inch, that judge.
No way.
Yeah. I should have recorded. That would have evidence. I hope I catch another one I can record for you. So, I can see my bobber. All right, I'll keep you. All right, got my third fish. Let's go take it to the boards. Okay. It's my lucky day. Yeah.
All right, now I'm gonna play.
We keep that between the fishermen, you know?
3 1/4, I would say. Perfect. So 3 1/4 bluegill.
Let's see here.
There?
Jason, you want me to go?
I can get the hook out.
Yeah.
You good with the bucket if you want?
Yeah. Jason Junk 3 1/4. Okay.
If you have to cut it.
Nope,
No, you got a tool.
I got a tool.
All right, the man with the plan. Oh, on light gear too. I caught on light gear.
I've seen some of your YouTube videos.
You have?
I have.
All right.
YouTube. Fishing around Chicago.
Exactly.
Yep. There
Thank you
are.
very much.
I did
Did you
see,
did you subscribe?
I don't know. I just, I
Oh.
browse and when I see, I watch your video.
Very good. Thank you. I appreciate that.
I like because you go to different spots.
Yes.
And,
Yeah.
it's nice. Yeah, that's cool.
I go to Pitts County. I
Yeah.
go here.
Right.
Sometimes I go up Lake County.
Yeah. We were fishing. We fished Geneva last
Oh yeah,
Saturday.
that must be nice.
Yeah, we got 2 largemouth, 2 smallmouth, 1 24-inch northern, and
Uh-huh.
a bunch of rock bass.
Oh,
We fished till like.
they get keepers?
We just kept the rock bass just
Oh,
for
okay.
eating, you know.
Yeah.
But
Cut the line, man. Just cut the line.
need another hook. We got extra hooks. If
No, I got some there. Those hooks are bad luck. You got a nail clipper? Use a nail clipper on that thing.
Nope.
That has got to be 50 years old, that knife.
it still works.
Actually,
Are you sure?
I got it from Duluth Clothing Company.
Oh, that's why. That's why.
Back,
You gotta go
Christmas a
to.
few
You gotta
years
go
ago.
to Bass, bro.
You're William
Okay,
Marquez, right?
correct.
Okay. What was the size?
It didn't measure yet.
Hold on. And that's a bluegill, right?
Yes.
5 1/4.
It's just too big. Thank you, gentlemen.
Already. All right. What do you got there?
5 1/4. But he cut my good luck, my luck. So this kid trying to steal my spot. This kid. All right. See what I gotta put another hook on there. Ugh. All right, I'm wrapping up. It's about to almost finish. So my friend Ken, all morning he's been fishing. Just nibbles. His wife comes along. First cast. Boom! A 12-inch bass. I couldn't believe it. I could not believe it. First cast, he says, "Hold on, I'm hooked up already." I'm never going to forget those words.
Never had a lot of northern. All of a sudden, because you know why?
So I'm gonna go over there, use the lavatory and put my stuff away and see if I win anything with the smallest bass in my category. Well, it came out good. The turnout came out good. Look at that. Okay. I don't forget anything. No, I don't forget anything. Keys. Okay. See you later. See you later. Hey.
You guys have some fun?
Always. Yes.
Happy to hear it. I'm Kevin Morrirson. I'm the Cook County Commissioner covering the northwest suburbs. We wear 2 hats here at Cook County, so I'm also the Forest Preserve District Commissioner for the Cook County Forest Preserves. Let's give a huge round of applause for all of our Forest Preserve staff.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for making today happen. I see some hands. Who went up in the tree today? All right. Very good, very good. Well, I want to thank all of our hosts, Friends of Cycling Elk Grove, the Metropolitan Water Reclamation District of Greater Chicago, of course our Cook County Forest Preserve District, Minds with Motion, the Chicago Botanic Garden, Cook County Health, the Arlington Anglers Fishing Club, Good News in the Neighborhood, H's Taco Truck, and the Brookfield Zoo.
Yeah.
I also want to share my immense gratitude for all my incredible staff. Thank you for helping make this event happen. Now who's ready for some prizes? Yeah. So for largest fish caught today, we've got the award and coming in at 17 1/4 inch bass for Alex Pop.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Alex.
17.
Look at this little
I don't know how.
Gotta back off.
Next up, we've got the smallest fish caught today at 2.5 inches, bluegill and Wiener Raj.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Two and a half inches.
You were too big, thinking too big. Jeez.
In the category of largest bass for 18 and up, we've got Les Wooten with a 13-inch bass.
5 inch. You beat me
5
by a
inch.
quarter. An inch.
No need to rock. Congratulations.
Mati, Bruna.
We're close.
Price is over behind me. For second largest bass for the categories of 18 and up, and just 1 inch less, we got a 12-inch bass, 1 foot for Gene Clamorous.
Yeah. Guy always wins. You guys always.
Still in the category of 18 and up, largest bluegill, we've got Tom Feddersen with 6 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
We got Tom around. Tom Feddersen. All right, we'll come back. The second largest bluegill and 6 inch for 18 and up, Lindsay Tibieri. Or Lindy Tibieri.
Takes what, about 6 inches on a bluegill.
Looks like we got a second winner. Largest bass for 10 and under, we got Alex Pop at 14 inches and 1/2. Where's Alex? Hey, look at this guy.
Cleaning up. What do? We get a limit today?
Congrats.
Wow. All right. Where's his?
For second largest bass for
college.
10 and under,
Yeah.
we have Dylan Hansen, 11 inches. Dylan Hansen. For largest bluegill for 10 and under, we have Milos Napek at 7 1/4 inch.
Oh, we're ready. Oh, nice.
$20 minimum.
All right, for second largest bluegill, for 10 and under, we've got Isaac Wang at 6.5 inch. Congratulations, Isaac.
It's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Okay, and now we've got for 11 to 17, largest bass of the day, Sebastian Rojas, 11.5 inch. Congrats, Sebastian. Start juggling all these pitches. Congrats, buddy. You get your prize over here.
I saw something. Yeah, for first.
For largest bluegill for 11 to 17, we've got Alyssa Botello at 6 1/4 inch. Congratulations, Alyssa. largest bluegill for 11 to 17. We've got Jan Atten Lingjung, 6 1/4 inch.
It's a ties and first one catches.
Alright, and we have a second winner. There was a tie in the 18 plus category. It's not telling me which fish it is, but Abriel Felicimino. Do we have Abriel around? Felicimino. Alright. Those are our prizes for today. If you got signed off at all of our booths, we got Brookfield Zoo as well as Botanic Garden tickets. Again, I'm Kevin Morrison. I hope you all had a blast today. To all our incredible fathers out there, happy Father's Day. I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you all next year. Thank you all.
Well, no, not the smallest. I didn't get the smallest round. Disappointing. All right, that's it, fellas. My time is up. The show is over. Time to go home and have some dinner, lunch. And I'm going to do some fishing later on in Bolingbrook. Maybe I'll tape it. Who knows? So it's Bill from Fishing Around Chicago, Sadie. If I don't see you later, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. We'll see you, fellas. Have a good week.